Hi everyone, I'm Shazaib Khan and welcome to my channel Worldwide Hunting Guide. One thing I've always loved about hunting is that there's always something new to learn. Every season brings a challenge and a chance to get better. Take me for example. I've been hunting consistently for over 16 years, but my journey started long before that. As a kid, I used to go hunting with my maternal uncle and his friends, and even my maternal grandfather was a hunter. From those early mornings chasing game with them to now, every hunt still teaches me something new. Hunting isn't just about shooting, it's about learning, improving, and enjoying the outdoors with the people around you. Today, I want to share some of the most important tips I've learned over all these years, tips that separate beginners from advanced hunters and help you make the most of your time in the field. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Worldwide Hunting Guide so you don't miss any of my hunting tips and adventures. Tip 1. Explore new spots. One of the first things I'd tell my younger self is this: always explore new hunting spots as often as you can. Whether you hunt public land or private property, this is key. Game moves, water changes, and animals don't always stick to the same places. Sure, a few spots are legendary and stay productive for years, but most of us don't have those. The more new spots I added over time, the more success I found. When I was younger, I used to stick to the same few areas. If I had just explored a little more, even an hour away from home, I would have had far better hunts earlier. Now, I travel to multiple areas each season and always try to find as many new productive spots as possible. Tip 2. Use the right shot, payload. One thing I've learned about hunting is that the right shell makes a difference, but you don't need the fastest or fanciest stuff. I always use steel shot and it works perfectly fine. Despite what some influencers might say, the key is heavier payloads. For example, a 3-inch shell with 1.38 ounce has more pellets than smaller shells and a slightly slower speed, which actually keeps your pattern tighter. Don't fall for the high velocity hype. Velocity can actually ruin your shot pattern with steel. Tip 3. Get game into the decoys. One of the biggest differences between average and advanced hunters is how you get game into your decoys. The goal is simple: get birds' feet down in the decoys, tight and clean. This takes patience, correct positioning, and practice. Many beginners give up too soon, trying to shoot from 50 yards away. But the real thrill and the cleanest kills come when you adjust, wait, and get them in the sweet spot. Tip 4. Master your calling skills. You can't control the weather, and you can't control other hunters, but you can control your calling. Being good at your duck call or any game call can make a huge difference. Some days it's the reason you succeed. Others, it's about being patient and persistent. Always put in the time to master your calling skills. It separates you from the crowd and increases your chances of ethical kills. Tip 5. Hiding and positioning. One tip I learned a little late in my early 20s was how important your hide is. Even a few yards can make all the difference. I remember hunting with friends a couple of years ago. We were on the first line of trees and the birds were landing just out of range. My friends thought we needed new decoys or spinners, but when we backed up just 8 yards, the birds came straight into our spread. 9 times out of 10, if birds aren't acting right, it's your hide, not your decoys. Tip 6. Hunting is a team sport. Hunting is better when shared. I started with my maternal uncle, his friends, and my maternal grandfather. Over the years, I've met so many hunters who taught me something new, shared tips, and even became lifelong friends. Build your network, talk to other hunters, share experiences. You'll learn more, have more fun, and your hunts will be far more productive. Tip 7. Gear is secondary. If you're new, don't stress over the gear. Focus on getting to the right spot and being in position. Cheap decoys and shells are fine when you're starting. Once you know your style, then invest in gear that improves mobility and efficiency. For me, lightweight blinds and packable decoys are essential because we move a lot, but location and skill always beat fancy gear. Final tip: ethical kills, teamwork, and smart, practical gear. These are the pillars of good hunting. Focus on what you can control: your skill, your positioning, your calling. Ignore perceived pressure, learn from experience, and always strive to improve. Hunting isn't just about shooting. It's about learning, sharing, and enjoying the outdoors with the people around you. That's what makes every hunt special. Before you go, make sure to like this video, comment below your favorite hunting tip, And don't forget to subscribe to Worldwide Hunting Guide for more hunting tips and adventures.